Every steel building starts as a spreadsheet: numbers, dimensions, loads, budgets. But somewhere between that spreadsheet and the finished factory, a lot can go wrong. This is the story of how one project moved from data to delivery, and what happens at each step that most people never see. It started with a conversation, not about steel, about what the client actually does inside their building. Their forklift pots, their crane usage, their storage layout, their future expansion plans. Our design team took those answers and translated them into a structural logic. They widths weren't copied from a template. Column spacing followed the workflow, not the other way around. Every beam, every connection, every bolt had a reason. This stage took about a week, not because it's slow, because getting the design right here saves months of problems later. Once the design was approved, the drawings moved to our fabrication yard. This is where things get real. Raw steel sections arrived. Our team checked the mill certificates, traceable back to the heat number. Then cutting started. Plasma and saw cutting, each piece labeled with a project ID and a position code. That code follows the piece from cutting to welding to painting to shipping. If something is wrong, we can trace it back to the exact hour it was made. Welding stations. Our welders worked through the connection details, stiffeners, base plates, brackets. Every critical weld got inspected. Every bolt hole was drilled to match the drawings within millimeter tolerance. After welding came surface preparation. Shot blasting to saw 2.5 grade bare steel. No rust, no mill scale. Then primer, intermediate coat, top coat, 3 layers, each checked for thickness. Then packing. This project was headed overseas, a humid coastal region with rough, last-mile roads. So we packed differently: extra waterproof wrapping, reinforced bundle ends, shipping marks clearly visible on every bundle. Packing isn't where we cut costs. It's where we protect everything we've built so far. The bundles left our yard on schedule: ocean freight, port handling, then trucking inland to the site.